nasa harap. Tapos hands up. Exhale, fold po tayo. Hands down. Palms facing up. When you stand, keep both of your legs straight. So medyo masakit siya sa back thigh or back leg. Let's just take further breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. And then both of your legs together. Tapos lift the right, yung left leg. Kung kaya, shoot natin dito, dito. Then sa ankle, medyo below your knee, above your knee or here. Between your knee. Tapos hands. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands. Then hands at your side. Just the left foot back na lang. And then hands down. Right foot down. Pag may knees, take your chance. Rest here. Stay on the back. When you're ready, go downward facing dog tayo. So, hips high. As this time, si left foot naman, yung between your hands. Kung kaya po natin, lift natin si right heel or flat na lang natin, pero hands up. And then bend your left leg. Then from here, right hand back, left hand forward. Stay for another breath. Inhale. Exhale. Come back up. Other side ko lang po tayo. So left naman na ba sa tapos face over here. Twist po siya. Okay. Stay for another 3 breaths.